Welcome to Dad's DeFi Space. I'm Kevin, and thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to spend it with me and learn a little bit more about crypto and DeFi. Today, we're going to be looking at how to leverage our AVAX position and borrow against our AVAX to increase our position, a bullish looping strategy that we have made videos on the past for both the Sway network, Solana network, and Ethereum. We're going to be taking a look at AVAX. Here at Dad's DeFi Space, we like to present to you our strategies and our views on the market in the DeFi space. None of this is financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. I don't know your situations. The crypto market is risky. You can lose all your money. To be honest, I am a very conservative player. Over 50% of my portfolio and lending positions and DeFi positions are in either Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's even higher than that, like 60 or 70% if I count Solana. So we do a lot of DGeny plays, but only with a very small percentage of our portfolio. So I wanted to show you my AVAX portfolio on AAVE. We happen to be bullish on AVAX because this layer one blockchain hits the RWA narrative, the gaming narrative, even the AI narrative. The more narratives a coin can hit, the more bullish it can be. And the fact that the president of the United States is bullish on American coins makes me also bullish on AVAX. And not only that, the vice president of United States of America is a large AVAX holder. So if you would like to trade either spot or futures of AVAX, check out our links for weeks down below. Up to $20,000 of USDT rewards and 0% maker fees right now. Just use our link below. Help support the channel. Now, let's take a look at how we can leverage our AVAX to make more AVAX. So, looking at my AAVE portfolio, I've lent out about 68 AVAX and a little under 2 staked AVAX. Which totals approximately, I don't know, 6 chart. We can see we are bleeding profusely really since the peak back in December of 2024. We were even higher than that back in the spring. I'd like to see us get all the way back up to 65. Right now, AVAX is sitting at a very calm $23.77, although we are about to get a blue stochastic RSI cross on the daily right here. That means it might be time for us to buy a teeny little bit of AVAX. Now, how can I do this and leverage my position? Well, let me show you. We're going to go back to AVE, and my health factor probably needs to be a little bit better than what it is. You're probably a lot safer to keep this above the 2.0 range, but of course, I am a very aggressive investor in this game. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to borrow just a little bit more USDC. This is my borrow side over here, and I click borrow USDC. I'm going to borrow another $50, acknowledge the risk, change networks to Avalanche, and then I'm going to borrow the USDC. We'll confirm the transaction in our wallet, and then the loan gets deposited in our wallet instantaneously. All right, so that extra $50 is now in my wallet. That gives me a total of $250 USDC. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to supply the USDC to raise my collateral rating just for safety. So I'm depositing, whoops, I don't want to switch, excuse me. I'm depositing the $50 USDC into AAVE. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to confirm the transaction. Wait. And now we have a little bit more USDC in our AAVE position. Now, what I want to do now is I'm going to get some more Avalanche. I feel like we're kind of at the bottom of the range. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy $175 of Avalanche. So what I'm doing is I'm swapping the USDC within AAVE. It's called a switch into Avalanche, change our USDC into Avalanche, and then it'll just stay deposited into our wallet. The beauty of this is if you are bullish on the asset, and I am, Avalanche can run back up to say $45. I can cover my loan of all my borrowing, or at least some of my loan, and then that money is paid off and I have more Avalanche and more gains in my wallet. Now, as the bull market goes on, we're also bullish on Beam and it's on the Avalanche network. We can do the same thing and then swap some of our USDC or AVAX into that lower cap gaming altcoin we're bullish on, or whatever that we're bullish on. This is a great method to amplify your gains during the bull run. You just have to make sure that your health factor never drops, in my opinion, below 1.5, because once you hit below 1.0, you will get liquidated. And that is a risk you take when you borrow and lend on a DeFi protocol. So I hope this was an informative video today, showing you just quickly how you can use AAVE to borrow and lend crypto assets on the Avalanche network. If you are depositing a crypto and borrowing USDC, you are effectively long in that asset. But when you do this, you must be careful that you don't drop below your collateral value, because you will get liquidated. Right now, my account is looking good, but I must keep an eye on it. Earlier in the year, we were basically liquidated on some of our arrow position because the market dropped too fast. Again, when the market gets more bullish, you're going to want to start to pay down on your loans. Effectively, you're doing the same thing as leverage trading, but you are using DeFi to play the same game. So, again, none of this is financial advice. I'm just showing you how I play around in this space. If you'd like to learn more, check us out at dadsdefispace.org. Come join my private DeFi group. Or if you really want to up your DeFi game with the pros, check out Crypto Labs Research, the UIG Underdog Investment Group, 20% off your first month for using our link, and tell them Kevin from Dad's DeFi Space sent you, and we both get $50 USDT. Isn't that great? If you want to leverage trade, check out Weeks. It's a great exchange, non-KYC, and it helps support the channel. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, peace.